Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Ross, the tie-dye traveling guy, coming to you from Harrah's Resort and Casino, Kansas City. I'm going to take you on a tour of the hotel, of the casino, give you a room tour, and just show you what this place is all about. So as we walk through the parking lot, where there is free parking, which is definitely a good thing here, you walk in to the main lobby area, which you'll see in just a minute here. Check-in did go very smooth. We had to pay $100 deposit for incidentals, and there is also a resort fee which was included in that $100 as well. Looks like they have Flyaway Fridays. Every 20 minutes, 2 guests will be drawn to play Flyaway Fridays for a chance to win up to $500 in Southwest Airlines. All right, y'all. So, hey, if you like what you see, subscribe to the Tie-Dye Traveling Guy. Caesars Entertainment, we are here. To the right, there is a little pantry area that does have some snacks and beverages, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Some motorized scooters for those that need assistance. And as we go over here, you see that there is a business center, computers, and brochures for different things to do in the Kansas City area. So as we go to the left out of the lobby, you will see there is Las Vegas Tower and there is Kansas City Tower. We are staying in the Kansas City Tower, which you'll see a tour of that room in just a little bit. But as we come up, you'll see that there are a lot of meeting rooms here. This is the Windsor room. Elevators here for the Kansas City Tower. And just over here to the left, I'll show you the fitness center that they do have to offer for hotel guests. Not a whole lot in there. I don't even know if you can see in there. Maybe. Oh, yeah. Treadmills, bikes, ellipticals, machines, kettlebells. You got a few things in there. So for those that like to be physically active on a vacation, you have that option. We work out a lot before and after the vacation, not so much during. There's a lot of walking involved, but other than that, we don't get too crazy with workouts. So, New Orleans room. So there's a lot of meeting rooms here connected in between hotel and the casino. So if you are looking to have a bigger event, whether it's a wedding reception, birthday, or anything else, they have a lot of those that you could reserve. I don't know what the exact numbers on that would be. Tahoe 1, 2, and 3 right there. More meeting rooms down that way. There are vending machines throughout the hotel and casino area. They do have a valet service available for those that would like that service. Follow us at Harrah's KC. So coming up here, we have a few of the different bars and restaurants here at Harrah's Resort and Casino. Laurel Lounge right over there to the right. And being that we are in Kansas City, of course you're going to have some Chiefs things here. But looking at here, winning streaks, Gordon Ramsay steak bite and bean. Alright, we have down there. Winning Streaks Sports Bar and Grill. Right there, not open at this time. Those are the hours right there, though. Looks like it should be open a little bit later. As we come around the corner here, we have Gordon Ramsay Steakhouse. If y'all want to have a fancy dinner, days are limited, hours are limited on that as well. And definitely bring your credit card, debit card, whole lot of cash. Voodoo Lounge. ATMs scattered about. We have restrooms. And Bite and Bean over here to the right, just for a little snack on a little something here and there. Guy Fieri gift series. Alright, so there's this little cafe where you can have multiple things there. No. Thank you. Alright, it's just a regular casino. You have tables, slot machines, there's bars, there's high limits. Another bar back in this area here too. All the tables over there, cashier. Alright, we're gonna give you a quick peek up here. And then we'll have to shut it down. Just more slot machines. TVs, slot machines, all kinds of things. So hey, definitely recommend Harrah's Resort and Casino. It's a fun place. Just looping around, showing you another bar over here called Twist. Alright, y'all. Harrah's Resort and Casino. Free. It's a tie-dye traveling guy. We got tie-dye down there. So like and subscribe. If you like what you see, share with your friends. I appreciate you watching from Harrah's, Kansas City, Missouri. Have a good day. Safe travels. Hey, what's up, y'all? We made it to our room 541 in the Kansas City Tower. It's time to unlock the fun. Alright, y'all. Right away when you come in here, you have your bathroom to the right. Nice marble. Ooh, fancy. Look at that. Big tub. Ooh, and dispensers. Look at that. What do you have here? Body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. That's a party. All right. Mary, check things out right there. Okay. What do we have for closet space? Not a whole lot.
Good thing we're only here 2 nights.
King size bed. It's where the magic happens. Hey. But I always say, why spend a whole lot of money on the room when you really shouldn't be here anyway? So hey, we are at Harrah's, Kansas City, Missouri. What do we have for a view here? I may need some assistance, perhaps. Oh, here we go. What do we got out here? Ooh, a view of downtown. There we go. That's not bad. Check that out. Zoom in there. That's where we're headed tomorrow night. Falling in Reverse and Avenged Sevenfold at the T-Mobile.
Okay.
Right,
Using that
y'all.
bathtub.
That's a nice bathtub.
Yes. And don't judge me all you want. I'm using the
All right, y'all. Harrah's Kansas City Tower with a view of Kansas City. Like and subscribe to the Tie-Dye Traveling Guy for yet to come with Heather and the Tie-Dye Guy. Here we go. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Woo woo!